And what is your name?
My name is Scott Finney.
And how many years have you been to the mega conference?
Almost 8 years.
8 years.
Yes.
Are you staying here at the hotel?
Yes, I am.
Is your bed comfortable?
Yes, it is.
How's the food?
The food's okay.
And what's your favorite thing about the conference?
The same thing about this conference for this year is the collaboration of people. And I get to attend some of the educational parts of it.
And you plan on coming next year?
Yes, I am.
Is there anything we could do to improve the conference?
To improve.
To make it better?
To improve the conference is to get more people involved in the issues that reflect people with disabilities.
Great. Thank you.
Welcome.